It's not.
What do you mean it's not?
They're above us at all.
It is not. That isn't both of us. Are you kidding
Nope.
me? You said I'm going back up from me.
Yes.
Yes, what?
Good.
I don't want you talking to anyone. Babe.
I don't talk to those lunatics out there.
Huh?
I don't talk to those lunatics out there.
Good. Not even at a store.
No.
Huh?
No.
Good. That's good. I'm not doing stores, do you?
No.
Not me above. That's good. It's like, what would you do if you were asked for a ride?